If you're experiencing low performance on your Xbox Series X, there are several steps you can take to enhance its performance. Follow these steps to optimize your gaming experience. Step 1. Check for system updates. Ensure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and then choose Updates. Download and install any available updates to improve performance and fix bugs. Step 2. Clear cache. Clearing the cache can help improve performance. To do this, turn off your console and plug it from the power source for at least 10 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on. This process can help refresh the system. Step 3. Manage storage. Check your storage space. Go to Settings, select System, and then Storage. Remove any unnecessary games or apps to free up space, as a full hard drive can slow down performance. Step 4. Optimize game settings. Adjust the settings of your games for better performance. Lowering graphics settings or turning off features like motion blur can help improve frame rates and overall gameplay experience. Step 5. Use a wired connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, consider switching to a wired Ethernet connection. This can provide a more stable and faster internet connection, reducing lag and improving online gaming performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your Xbox Series X performance. Enjoy your gaming!